This is a brand new strategy and you need to jump on it as fast as possible, as fast as you can before it becomes oversaturated, because we have never talked about this platform before, but it's actually a really cool way to make some decent amount of money online for absolutely free, and yes, from anywhere in the world. It works worldwide. And right before we dive into the actual strategy, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'm posting videos about making money online every single day. So if you hit the bell icon, I'll notify you whenever I have a new fresh strategy like this one if you make money online, so you can be one of the first to use that strategy, use that app, use that platform, use that website if you make money online, and that way you will be one step ahead of your competitors, and of course you will make the most money. With that being said, we'll jump straight into my computer so I can show you a brand new strategy to make hundreds of dollars every single day. Okay, we're now inside of my computer, and before we dive into the actual strategy, you know the rules, because for this strategy we'll be using some platforms that we never used before and that we never talked about on this channel, on this particular channel, and I'm sure that you have probably not have seen or heard about some of these platforms before, and this is a really unique strategy because we will combine those. Even if you heard about them, you don't know how exactly we're gonna combine different platforms to make over $480 over and over and over again, once again, for absolutely free. And this is a really good strategy, and I want you to dive into this in the upcoming year. It's a great strategy, so take advantage of this, take advantage of it, don't miss out on this one. It's a really great one, especially if you're one of the first ones to watch this video. Make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end and take action fast on this one, okay? Just follow each and every step, don't skip anything, and make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end of this video so you can maximize your results and you can get this done properly. Now, the first website and the first platform that we're going to be using is called Kit. Yes, this is the first platform. It's called kit.co. Go over to kit.co, kit.co. Right over here, I will zoom in so you can see it, because I will not leave links to those platforms in the description, because I don't want to have any affiliate links and I don't want to take people off of YouTube, because YouTube is just mad when we put links in the description, that because, you know, that just takes people off of their platforms. They're mad, so I'm not gonna put links in the description. Just go head over to the kit.co, and this is a platform that will allow you, this is a really genius platform actually, and not a lot of people know about it. Not a lot of people in the make money online niche know about it, but it's actually a huge platform. But anyways, it's a great strategy to start of doing affiliate marketing for absolutely free, and it's 100% beginner friendly. It's a tool that will allow you to do affiliate marketing easily, to do affiliate marketing really, you know, with the most simple way. And I'm going to show you exactly how and what Kit actually is. So Kit is a place where you can combine different, as you can see, different gadgets, combine them together, and you can gather those gadgets from products. You do not, by the way, you do not have to own any products. You do not need to create your own store. You do not have to have these products on your own, and you are not drop shipping here. This has nothing to do with drop shipping as well. Don't you worry about it. It has nothing to do with Shopify or whatever. So this is a place where you can just gather some products with a simple click. You can gather all of those products in a specific niche, like coffee niche, health niche, fitness niche, travel niche, film gear, gardening, cooking, and much more. You can gather all of those products into one kit and then sell it like that. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. I know it may sound a little bit complicated right now, but just stay with me and I'm going to explain you exactly what I mean and exactly how you can make money from this, because at the end of the day, that is what matters. How you can make over $480 with this, and how you can do it over and over and over again. So to read more about what is Kit, I will click on this button right here that's going to tell us more about it. You can come over here, read more about it, find out how you can actually make money. So Kit is a creator-centric community, and they make it easy to earn cash for your expertise. And I'm actually going to show you actionable steps that you need to follow. I'm not just going to talk I'm not going to talk about it. You can obviously read more about it yourself, but I'm just going to show you actionable steps on how you can actually do it. So of course you need to sign up to this website and click on the sign up button right here, sign in/sign up. Click on that and you will be able to connect your Twitter, Facebook, or just sign in with email. And of course it's easier to just connect it with Twitter and Facebook. It's literally just one click. I'm just going to sign in with my Facebook account. That's going to take me over to the dashboard, and now you can see how it actually looks inside of the back end of the dashboard, and how it looks like once you create an account. So this is what you're going to see once you create an account, and now you will be able to create your own kit. Now before we start creating our own kit, we need to pick some niche. And as I showed you right before, you have different categories to pick from, so you can do whatever category you want. You can do fitness, travel, makeup, business, art, audio, biking, tech, board games, whatever you want, to hundreds of different categories. There is no shortage ways. You can even test out and to see what works the best. But I'm gonna show you what worked the best for me and what I will recommend you do, what niche I recommend you do start. Of course, you can feel free to test as many of these as you possibly can, or as you want to, because those are absolutely free, and it's literally going to take you less than a minute to create a kit. And then I'm gonna give you a unique traffic source to get sales quickly and to actually make over $480 over and over again. And this has the potential to make you thousands of dollars, so make sure to pay close attention to this platform. It's a really great one. So I will pick a niche, and as I said, what I found to work the best for me was a camping niche. Camping, because there you can find different camping gear that people want, because obviously if they want to go on camping, they want to do camping, they need a lot of different gear. So what I recommend you do is create a new kit, and you will do that by clicking on this plus icon right here. You have a green plus icon over here. Just click on this icon, and that's gonna show you add a product to your kit. I already created some, but I will, just to test it out, but I will create a new kit so you can see how it goes from scratch, so you can just follow everything that I show you. So kit name, we'll do a kit name, for example, campaign, I will do, no campaign, but camping, and I will do like camping experts. Maybe we'll say like camping experts, and then describe your new kit. We'll say like everything you need for camping or something like that. Just put a little bit more time and effort thinking about what you can what will actually describe your kit, but it's not that important. But obviously just type something in, hit next. This kit already exists. Yes, I already created this kit. Let's do camping professionals or something like that, and hit next. And that's gonna take us over to the page where we can add our products to the kit. And this is a really powerful tool right now. So we can either search for a product, and it's gonna gather all of the products, affiliate products from Amazon, eBay, and all of those platforms that are selling those products. But the best part is you do not even have to register to Amazon or eBay or any of those platforms, and you're still gonna be making affiliate commissions like crazy. But of course, you're gonna have more benefits if you are connected with Amazon and eBay. You're gonna be earning more money. But if you don't want to do that, or if it's not available in your country, if Amazon affiliates, associates, and eBay associates are not available in your country, then you can feel free to not register to those platforms, but you're going to be earning a little bit less money. So if you are able, just head over to the Amazon associates or eBay partner network and just create accounts on those platforms as an affiliate, so you can start earning more commissions. And you're going to be earning, depending on a platform, depending on a niche, and depending on a product, you're going to be earning anywhere from like 10 to 15 or even 20% commissions off of that, which is really great, because we're going to be earning those commissions over and over again with the traffic source that I'm about to give you inside this video, only if you stay tuned all the way to the end. Now you will search for a product, and you will either paste a link, and I'm going to show you what works and what doesn't work. So search for a product. So we will do maybe like camping tent, for example. We'll search for a camping tent, and we can find different products from different stores all over the world, all over the web. We can pick different tents. So I will just go with this most simple one. I'll go with the first one. I will click add, and then we can tell them more about the product, detailed information about the product if you want to. You do not have to fill this out, but it's obviously a lot better to fill this out. So you can, if you know something about it, just type in share detailed personal review, pro tips, or funny stories about this product. And after that, just hit add to kit, and it's gonna add the tent to our kit. Then we need to add another product, so we'll search for maybe, and I'm going to show you another way to add those products as well. Just keep watching this video. What you need for camping, maybe a sleeping bag. Of course you will need a sleeping bag. Just select one. Now we have two different products in our kit that our potential customers can purchase. So obviously if they're going camping, they will see they need a tent, but obviously they will need a sleeping bag, so they will purchase both tent and sleeping bag. But what as well they need, maybe they need let's do like camp chairs. They need to sit over there in the forest or wherever they go camping. Let's search for camp chairs. Sorry. Oh yeah, they actually have some camping chair, maybe like this one looks nice. I would add this to kit, and you can do this for as many products as you want to. And of course, the more product you add, the more product they can purchase, and the higher chances of getting sales, getting more sales you have. So I recommend you put anywhere from like 5 to 15 products inside of the kit. Of course, don't do more than 15. That's gonna be like oversaturated. So don't do over 15 or over 10. Anywhere from 5 to 15. Okay. And so you have higher chances. Now, and one other really great strategy to find even better products that are high converting, that are proven to get sales, is by either going to Amazon or eBay or AliExpress and just search for that. Maybe you're in something different niche. This works for any niche, but I will search for like camping tent, and you can see that those are selling for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Now, how exactly do you know that this is proven to sell? Well, you can see right here, 36 people are watching this. So people are interested in this tent, or you can just see like 38 of these have been sold. So over 38 people bought this, so it's proven to get sales. And you can find some that has the most sales and just grab a link to that product and just paste it over here, paste a link to that product, and you will be able to add it to your kit like that. If you don't want to do this, if you don't want to just search for it, because this works even better because that they're proven to sell. And you will be able to view your kit. That's going to take you over to the next page where you can share your kit. We will share it later. Click on share later, and this is our kit. This is how our store is going to look like. Camping professionals, everything you need for camping, and then they will be able to view on Amazon, and when they click on view on Amazon, that's going to take them to Amazon, where they will be able to purchase this, and we are going to be earning commissions off of that. As you can see, this goes anywhere from $38 to $294, and we are going to be earning commissions for that over and over and over again. Now, right before I give the automatic traffic source, an automatic free traffic source, if you haven't already, be sure to drop a like to this video, leave a thumbs up, because that when I see you guys leaving likes and comments under my videos, I know that you are enjoying them, and I know that you're getting value out of those videos, which is the most important part. So if you do appreciate me uploading daily make money online strategies and daily business ideas, just hit the like button, leave a thumbs up. That's all I'm asking for. And if you have any questions, you simply need some help, or you just want to chat with me, just feel free to leave a comment down below, because I will be reading to all of those comments, and I will try to reply as soon as possible, or as soon as I see that comment. With that being said, the traffic source that we are going to be using to drive traffic to our stores is going to be YouTube. Now, keep watching this video. You will not have to film your videos, and you will not have to be in front of a camera. So I want to show you this. I searched for like camping gear on YouTube, and the first thing that came up is top 10 best camping gear and gadgets on Amazon. So this is a really great way. They're not filming these. They're just taking videos off of Amazon, product videos off of Amazon, which you can get for absolutely free, and they just create a compilation and some video editing software. You can use free video editing softwares like the Up and Shot, iMovie, Movie Maker, Sony Vegas. I personally use Sony Vegas. You have hundreds of different free video editing softwares online that you can find, and just gather that in a compilation. It's super simple to do that. I will obviously not go over that in this video because I don't want to make it too long, but you can just search in Google, search on YouTube on the tutorials on how you can create those compilations. It's super easy. Create a compilation. You can see, for example, this guy over here is just having that compilation of top 10 best camping gear and gadgets on Amazon, and he has his affiliate links to Amazon in his description, and he's making bunch of money. But we will be not putting our Amazon links. We will actually just put a link to our kit store, and we'll put that in the description so they can go out there and purchase all of the products that we have, because obviously, since they're searching for best campaign gear, 100,000 people have watched this, and you can see that this is pretty much going viral because it has been posted 1 month ago, and this guy has only 43,000 subscribers, and this video has 150,000 views, which means that not only subscribers are watching, but actually a wider audience is attracted to these. So a lot of people are interested into this niche. A lot of people are interested into camping gear, but not a lot of people are posting videos on that topic. So this guy is making a lot of money. Out of 100,000 people that are highly interested in that, they're ready to pay for it. They have money ready for that because they want to go camping. They need the camping gear, so they want to purchase that. They will come over to this video, and out of 150,000, if like only like like thousands of people will actually buy up from that. But let's lowball it and say like only 1.5 thousand people will purchase from this. That's 1,500 people that purchase from this video, and that's like a bunch of money because of your affiliate commissions from Amazon, eBay, and other platforms are like 10 to 20%. And you can see that those camping tents and camping gear is actually worth hundreds of dollars, and you're going to be making commission off of that over and over again. And of course this works for any other niche, but I just found this one to work the best. You can do this for whatever niche you want to. You can do the makeup niche, business niche, whatever you want to. Pick whatever niche you want to. This works for all those niches, and this is actually a great way to build passive income because, for example, this guy has posted this video 1 year ago and it's still getting views because, as you can see, it's ranking over here at the fourth place. He is ranking and he is still making bunch of affiliate commissions from this, bunch of passive income. You do not have to rely on the ad revenue. Even if you get copyright, it doesn't matter because even if you get demonetized, it doesn't matter because from the ad revenue you might make like less than $100 per 150,000 views, but from those sales you're actually going to be making bunch of money, and you're actually going to be making way more than $480, and you're going to be making it over and over again because those videos will stay forever online.